Welcome, beautiful people, to the Dawn Kitchen. Guess what, guys? The Dawn is at it again. And today, guess what? We will be making glazed donut. So, guys, let's dive into it. These are the ingredients for the donut. 3 tablespoons of cooking butter, 2.5 teaspoons of active yeast, half cup of milk. Here I'm using the almond milk. 1/4 cup of dry milk, non-fat. And this is milk powder, dry milk. A pinch of salt. I'm using the Himalayan pink salt. This is the salt from the mountain. 1.25 cup of all-purpose flour. 3 tablespoons of sugar, dark sugar. 1 egg. Some oil for frying. Here I'm using the extra virgin olive oil for frying. And for our glaze, 1/3 cup of almond milk. You can use the whole milk. You can use whatever milk you want to use. 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You need just a little warm water for the yeast. You're gonna put the yeast in. You put a little water in, warm water. Also a little sugar. I'm just taking some of this sugar right here. You want to let the yeast dissolve out in the warm water. And what the sugar do to this, it activate the yeast. You're gonna set this aside. And we will be sieving all of our dry ingredient. That's the flour, the milk powder, salt. I'm going to rub the sugar through because the sugar is a bit lumpy. You see, so I'm going to rub it through the sieve. You combine everything except the butter and the egg. See, because the sugar is lumpy, that's the reason why I pass it through the sieve. I'm gonna pour the yeast. I'm gonna put the egg in. Some of the milk. The butter have to be at room temperature. So now we're gonna place the wrap over this and let it sit there for 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes now, so we're gonna open up and remove our plastic wrap. We're gonna sprinkle a little flour on the board. And we're gonna place back this inside again, and you're gonna give it half an hour this time. So okay, beautiful people, so we checking in again, and we're gonna put some more flour on. Beautiful people, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so when the Don is doing a video, you will be the first one to be notified. Remember, you stretch, 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 and roll. Roll and stretch. Roll and stretch. Roll and stretch. And you want to cut in the center. You see it? How beautiful they're looking inside. Okay. So with this skillet on, and I put a little oil in it. We're just gonna place the donut in. With medium heat. You're just gonna keep the stove down, but you don't want them to burn because they easily burn. And pay close attention. So you're gonna give it like 4 minutes on each side, and then we finish. We're gonna move on to the next step. So you can't move from there. You just have to be right there, just to keep turning. Good. And this one is ready, so let me remove it. Looking at it, guys, you see how beautiful it looking? Now, beautiful people, it's time for us to make the glaze. When you remove the donut from the oil, you got to let it cool before you put it in the glaze. Ensure all the powdered sugar is dissolved out in the butter. And we're gonna put the milk in. And now you're gonna place the donut in the glaze. And you just want to turn it over. So I thank you, beautiful people. Look at our donut. Ain't it looking tasty? Mouth watering, soft and tender, guys. Yes, so why not? Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Yes, give it a try. I know you will enjoy it. So, beautiful people, I thank you for watching D Don Kitchen. Please be safe, take care of yourself, and I'll see you on the next one. Let me break a piece of the donut to show you. Yeah, let me just break. It's so soft. You see, so soft and tender, and it. Look at this, guys. Yeah. So give it a try, my beautiful people. And I thank you for watching D Don Kitchen. Bye for now. Peace.